ang numero ay pumabor dun sa kabilang parlor, medyo alanganin ang posisyon or ang alanganin ang sitwasyon ni VP Sara when you talk about the impeachment. Kasi I'm not kidding. This is not about merits of the case. This is really about politics, and this is impeachment is very political in every way. It's not really about kung may basihan ba ang impeachment o wala. It's all about numbers, it's all about power, and it's all about control of the Senate by the camp of Marcos Jr. / Romualdez. So yun. Kasi ang House of Representatives, well, it's a given already. We don't have a hold on that. And they control the numbers in the House of Representatives. So the crucial is the Senate really. And midterm election is crucial in that sense. So I hope yung mga sacrifices ni Pangulong Duterte ay hindi it will not be in vain. And I hope really also that the Filipino people will wake up and they should elect people in government that are not just competent, but they have the moral ascendancy. They have some kind of a grasp of what is right and wrong, and some people who values righteousness and moral ascendancy is very important in the kind of politics that we have in the country, which is very backward.